I got this, what was supposed to be a no assembly shelf, but it comes with instructions and whatever's in this, and that makes me think that this is an assembly. So let's check it out and see exactly what we're supposed to do here. Even though this looks like wood, it's metal. I thought it was wood. In this bag, we have little wheelie things, I guess, some connectors maybe, and then wheels. So maybe it's not as much as a normal one, hopefully. This is the top. Just so happens that it came out of the box that way. I don't know what these go to. This has a latch here. That latch, could it be to anchor it to the wall? I don't know, because it's wheels and that doesn't make sense. That's it. If you can figure out what it is, good on you. And it looks like I've done everything you're supposed to do. It just has the one latch here, and then you fold that over and it's got a latch on the side. So I don't know what these are. Oh, I just figured it out. Hello. If you don't want wheels, you can use that. I wish I would have done that. Oh well, it's fine like this. There we go. That really was low assembly. Not no assembly, but low assembly. It pretty much is open and you're good to go. Oh, hey, let me interrupt everything for just a second. Did you know that when you use my links that I always have linked below in every video, that you're supporting our channel, and it's really appreciated. All right, you can get back to the video now. When I was trying to decide if I wanted to buy this shelf, a couple of things I wanted to know. How tall was it? I'm 5 feet and it's just below me, but the arms are just above me. I wanted to know how deep the shelves were, because am I going to be able to stick an entire box from Amazon on it without having to open it? For instance, as Christmas stuff is coming in, can I just stick the box on there, or is it going to hang over a lot? So let's look at that right now. We already see plenty tall enough, perfect as far as height. This is my step stool. See why I need a step stool? And this is the size of my foot. My foot's from about here to here. And this is a normal size step stool that you would get in any bathroom that your kids would step on to wash their hands and whatnot. And so this is the width of that's the length of my foot. So we're going to see the width of this cabinet, of this shelf. So I wear a size 5 shoe very comfortably. And it is, we do it like this, it is wide, longer than my foot. Do you get what I'm trying to say here? I'm probably confusing you and myself. If my foot fits over the top of this from end to end, is about how big my foot is. And then this doesn't even take over the shelf. There's still room. It's bigger than my foot is what I'm trying to say. So an Amazon package is going to fit on here just fine. And I can turn it this way, which is what I originally did and confused myself. And the step stool fits on there perfectly. So if you have a step stool at home like this, just any old step stool, pick it up and look at it and go, okay, that's how deep that shelf is. And then you can even see how much height you still have left. So if you're looking to stack towels or blankets in there, you have room. You have a lot of room. So this thing, as far as having room, fabulous. As far as quality, if I'm going to give roominess, I'm going to go 5 stars. If I'm going to go quality, I'm going to give it only 3, maybe even 2.5, because mine came with a little bit of damage. I've got some damage here. And then if you look all the way down, you can see it's whopper jawed. I don't really care. I'm going to be filling this up with stuff. I'm not even going to see that stuff. So could I return it? Of course I could return it, but I'm not going to bother with it because it's going to serve its purpose for me. To each his own though. So if this is something that might bother you, maybe try to find another one.